North and south of Ukraine have been targeted by kamikaze drone and missile attacks, while the Kremlin claims that Putin has not addressed a possible solution to the ongoing war. Overnight, Ukraine was attacked by fresh missile strikes, with drone strikes hitting vital infrastructure in the Kyiv region and the southern city of Mykolaiv being massively shelled, as its mayor put it. After multiple days of Russian missile attacks, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy has appealed for international support in the form of air defense systems. After another day of Russian horror, he added in his Wednesday night address, supporting Ukraine to safeguard the sky is one of the most essential humanitarian duties for Europe. Russian airstrikes on Monday and Tuesday, and to a lesser extent yesterday, damaged electricity and water distribution systems across the country. Most of the country already has power, according to Zelenskyy, and repairs are being made in only 4 areas. On Thursday, Vladimir Putin and Recep Tayyip Erdogan, the presidents of Russia and Turkey, will meet. It is possible that Turkey may formally propose hosting peace talks between Russia and the West in an effort to stop the crisis in Ukraine.